Hello guys, good morning. Welcome on this class video again. And this video is only for DevOps engineer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy yourself and how to create a code for car wash. Okay, how does the car wash company are actually using the code in order to deploy themselves and make that application running out there. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you a little bit what's going on. This is actually the code that you are going to write down in order to start a convert car wash application. Okay, you may read here. Okay, and this video will help you whenever you have any project as a DevOps engineer. How do you develop it, and how do you work at the back end, you know, of engineering process? I'm going to focus on this, letter logic to show you exactly what's going on. What's going on here is, here you may see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 relay, and all those relay got a different function, okay? Uh, the first relay is here for the convert or the control relay, okay? The third relay, the second relay will be the light indicator. Light indicator might let people know that we do have one car, ready to be washed. And this is exactly what's going on out there whenever you are trying to wash your car, even by staying inside. How do we have the water coming out? How do we have the swap coming out? How do we rinse, the car with the water? And how do we blow the car with the air in order to take the water out of the car? Okay. So the second relay will be for the valve of the water. Okay. And the third one will be basically for the swap of the water. And this valve will be rinsing the car. And the last one will be for the motor air blower. Okay. And this is how this process is going to be. And I have designed this process in order to show you. If I bring it up, this process is actually the car wash process. And this is how the process is going to happen. So when you push start, okay, your car will basically go in, and at this level your car will cross this water valve we see here. The valve water will be here because when you put start, the motor conveyor will start moving forward. Okay, your car, because the motor conveyor is these two, okay, blue yellow line that you may see here. That's where your car is going to stand, and the motor conveyor will start moving your car forward. Okay, at each level, the first level is what we call the water valve, okay, or the valve water. So when your car will cross this line, the water will come down here in order to come to your car, okay? And as you move forward, when your car will cross this line, the swap, okay, with the water will be coming out, you know, on your car. And as your car moves here, the valve rinse water will be coming out to take the swap out of your car. And as you cross this line, what will happen here, we may see 1, 2, 3, and 4 blow fan. Those fans will basically blow your car to take the swap out. And this conception is how you are going to do as a DevOps engineer to develop this automation tool. What is going on out there? It's your job as a developer engineer to understand it and to work with it Okay, so now let me deploy the system by turning the system online. Whenever I go online, you will see that your program, your software will be turning, green, which means that I am online. Because actually now I'm not online yet, so I can't even do anything. I can start it. But before I start it, let me show you the different view of the prototype. Okay, this is basically the size view of what's going on. So you're gonna have one, two, three, and four sensors that you are going to cost. Okay, we call those sensors the optical sensor. Okay, this is an optical sensor for water. This is an optical sensor for swap. Optical sensor for water rains, and optical sensor for the blue wall faint. Okay, let me turn here. These are the entrance gate. These are the blue wall fan. Okay, let me come down here and enter. These are the entrance gate. Okay, how the car will be going in. Okay, so let me put it on this way. So I have show you this entrance, how the car will go in. It's here. The car will be going like this straight all the way down. This is the side view, okay, from right to the left. And this is basically the bed conveyor, and this is the side view of left to the right, okay? Now, I'm gonna turn the system on from here. So I'm telling the system I'm going online with the system, everything will become green, which means I'm online, okay? Now, I'm gonna start a system and you will see what is going on with the car, okay? So let me start the system in order for you to see what's going on. So I'm gonna start it. Let me push start. I push start, the gate will go up. As the car will cross this optical sensor for water, the water will start coming down. Water is coming down and go on the car. As the car will cross here, the swap will coming down into the car. There is a swap coming on the car. Then this would rinse the car with the water, okay? And the blower fan will turn on from the last one. There you go. That will take the water out of the car. And as the car get out, the process end up and the gate will remain closed, waiting for the next coming, vehicle. I hope you understand the automation process as a DevOps engineer. This is one of your main function. You should know about it and you should understand about it. This is what we call basically developing an architecture and how you will be doing basically at work and everywhere. Okay. So I'm gonna start it one more time by presenting the side view. Let me start again. See what's going on. I change the direction. The car is going. You may see here one more time. Now, optical sensor for the swap is here. The swap will come down. Okay. Optical sensor for the water rings. That will take the swap out of the car, and the optical sensor for the blower fan. The blower is actually blowing the car and everything get out. That's it. It's not complicated. Okay. Uh, well, let me turn it back by this direction for you to see what's going on. So I'm gonna start one more time. You will see the car coming in. So now the car, it's coming in. Okay. From here, the water will come down on the car. There you go. And at this level, the swap will come on the car. Okay. There you go. At this sensor, you will see that the water will come to take the swap out. And here the blower will start. You will see the fan will start turning. Then the fan is turning to take the water out of the car and the driver will be driving out. Uh, I hope this short video will make you understand the conception behind where the development as DevOps engineer, how or what do we understand by automation process? Okay, this is the automation process. One more time. By the enter or entrance, the car is going in. This is the driver going in. Okay. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Uh, as it moves, the swap, and you may see that any duration, what's going on. Okay, there you go. You may see it. So I am able to display the design for you to see exactly what's going on. These are only for uh, DevOps engineer. This is what we call the automation tool. Uh, our next class will be on the elevator. I will show you how the elevator is working. How are you going to write down the program for the elevator, and how are you going to, control the elevator from stage one to stage two, on stage three, and so on, so forth. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like it, and let me know in comment what are you thinking about it. Thank you. Bye.